good you finally woke up from all the waterboarding.
Bitch. I asked him if the gasoline tastes good.
Probably did.
He said, fuck me.
Wait.
That's funny.
Where's the light?
It's in the back of the route.
Okay. We're gonna need this. Okay. Alright, let me run through this again. We're gonna go to that truck, get whatever it has in it. We're gonna come back here. We're gonna sort it all out. And we're going to wait until it's the right time. Okay. Alright, you ready?
Guys ready? I'm gonna go first.
Open it. Hold on.
Oh yeah. Got a flashlight attachment on it.
Here's a headlamp.
Jeffery.
Hey. Flares. Hold on. Check the dashboard. Check the dashboard. Oh, an intervention.
Look at that.
That looks like a high-tech flare.
Yeah.
It looks like a pretty cool flare. Alright.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We get everything.
Yeah.
We got everything.
I don't think we need nothing else. We better go before they catch us. Alright. We got everything. Let's sort out what we just got. Alright, I got an M4, it looks like, with just the normal glowing sights. Standard mag. No extended, sadly. Adjustable stock, of course. Got a headlamp, that'll help us a lot, actually. What George found here.
Intervention.
Intervention sniper rifle. Standard scope. Looks like someone tore the scope off of it and had to duct tape it back together. You found a G36C with a flashlight attachment. This is really good.
Hey, you
And
got a
some
muzzle planer?
flares. Sir?
It's pretty dirty. You got a muzzle cleaner?
Yeah, somewhere.
We got a hot
I'll find one of
flare
those.
over here. Find it later.
Yeah.
Needs a flat surface.
Gonna. Alright. Everyone knows what the plan is, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, right now we're gonna go down there, and when it's time, you know what we're gonna wake up, alright?
Okay. I'm pretty tired.
Okay, let's go.
Full mag. You got more mags with these bullets on them? You got some more bullets? I think I got some more mags.
Yeah, we got some in that thing over there. Got the headlamp on. Works pretty fine, I guess.
Sturdy. Flashlights. Good. Hey. I
Yeah.
think the sights are a little off. I'm gonna sweep them. Something. Turn your back up. There we go. Yeah, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Jeffery, I got a 6.
Alright. Yeah.
Okay. Take it, run the trigger.
Lay him down. They're down. You two, over there. Y'all get behind there. Yeah. Hey, have we got a ladder?
Yeah, I got one. Get back, get back, get back. Get down, get your...
Tail down.
Do you have a thermal attachment on that? I don't see anyone else. Let's go.
Alright, y'all stay right here. Like I said, stay right here. We don't need to take a nap. We need to get this done. I'm gonna stay down there for about 30 minutes, alright? Remember the plan. When I get down there, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back in the garage, get the bag. We're just gonna scout out right now. Okay, go back and get the bags.
When? Right now?
No, we're gonna go back and get the bags when we're ready.